Good morning, students. I am Ashish Shrivastava here with a new topic that is deficiency diseases. This class belongs to the class 6 science class. Deficiency diseases arise in our body due to the lack of the nutrient in our diet for over a long time. So that's why these are known as the deficiency diseases. First disease is deficiency of protein. This deficiency of protein is known as the kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor. The symptoms of these diseases are the color of the hairs of the person becomes red brown. The body becomes very thin and pale. It looks like that the skin is touching the bones. Rib cage is stunning and person become very poor and the growth rate is very slow. So these are the main symptoms of this disease, kwashiorkor. Second disease is deficiency of protein and carbohydrate. Due to the lack of the protein and carbohydrate in our diet, the person become very thin. The growth rate stopped totally. People are just looks like a skeleton, and there is the color of the skin is become little bit darker. Patient also cannot move due to the lack of the energy, and their weight becomes very low and they are not gaining the weight further. And this disease is known as the marasmus. It is marasmus. Deficiency of protein and carbohydrate known as the marasmus. Now the next point is deficiency of vitamins. In daily diet, we are consuming various type of the vitamins. So most of the people are suffering with these diseases because vitamins are the main important part of our diet. So due to the lack of the vitamin A, we will not able to see the objects into dark. In daylight or in the tube light or bulbs light, we are easily able to see the things. But as it becomes dark, we are not able to see a thing. While the normal people in the dark, after some time, after adjusting the eyes focal length, they are able to see the things little bit. But the person who is suffering with the night blindness cannot see anything into the dark. Also in dim light they are not able to see, and it is only due to the lack of vitamin A in our diet. Second vitamin is vitamin B1. Due to the lack of the vitamin B, the people suffering from beriberi. Due to the lack of vitamin B1 in our body, we are suffers with the symptoms of the beriberi which we feel in our body, or you can say we suffer with that, are poor digestive system, poor tone of the skin and the roughness of the hair in our body. And the main symptoms that show in our body, that is the irregularities in the teeth and poor gums. The color of the gums become very red, like the blood is there in the gums. So this is the main symptoms of the lack of vitamin B. Lack of vitamin C. As you know, vitamin C is the deficiency component of our food. it makes immune system healthy. So due to the lack of the vitamin C, we suffers with a disease that is known as the scurvy. In this disease, skin also become very rough, scaly, and we often fall with many kind of the diseases. Cold and cough, these are the common diseases that occurs due to the lack of vitamin C. And so many diseases. Also, we have the poor immune system due to this disease. And the main symptoms is that the wounds also heals very slowly. So these are the main symptoms of the disease scurvy. The deficiency of the vitamin D, it is known as the rickets. The main symptoms of the rickets that the legs of the patients looks like bow tie, and the chest looks like the pigeon chest, as the chest of the pigeon is little bit outside like that. So the chest looks like the pigeon chest. Also, the formation of teeth is also getting disturbed due to the lack of vitamin D, and it is very important vitamin that also help us to absorb the calcium from the diet. Our body, our intestines cannot directly absorb the calcium. Only vitamin D help us to absorb the calcium from our diet. So due to the lack of vitamin D, person also suffers due to lack of calcium in our body. Now we will discuss about the diseases due to the lack of minerals. As you know, we consume many kinds of the minerals in our diet. So due to the lack of these minerals, we suffer with many diseases. So here I am taking only the main minerals of our diet, by which we suffer with many diseases. So the first component or the mineral is calcium. As I told you before, the calcium is essential for our bones, and it only can be absorbed due to the presence of vitamin D. So a person which is suffering with the disease due to the lack of vitamin D also suffering with the disease due to the lack of calcium, and it is known as the rickets. And symptoms, you know, the bones of the legs become bow-like, the chest become pigeon chest. Person who is suffering with disease also having irregularity in teeth, and bones become very poor. Iodine. Iodine is very essential for thyroid gland. Iodine regulates the thyroid gland and it produces the thyroxine in our body. So due to the lack of the iodine, thyroxine gland not work properly, and that's why it become little bit swollen. You have ever seen a person having a swelling neck? So that disease is known as the goiter. So only symptoms is that the neck or that thyroid gland is become swollen, and many person you have seen. So the cure of this disease only to take sufficient amount of iodine in our daily diet. Now next component is iron, as you know guys, the iron is very important component to form hemoglobin in our blood or red cells. So due to the lack of the iron, the blood cells not formed in our blood in sufficient amount. Also, the percentage of hemoglobin decreases. So the person starts suffering with the low amount of blood in their body. So this disease is known as the anemia. You can check either you are anemic or not, only just see inside your eyes like that. If there is redness, then you are suffering with anemia, and if it is pinkish, then you are good, you are healthy. So guys, it is very important that we should take each and everything daily basis. So the food which we eat daily is known as our diet. The diet which contains adequate amount of all the nutrients is known as the balanced diet, and it is very necessary that we should consume a balanced diet daily. So in other words, you can say the diet which contains all components in it in sufficient amount is known as the balanced diet. But one thing guys, this diet is depend on the age. For example, you people, you are doing lots of work, you are playing much in compare with the old person. So it means you need more energy to perform your works. For the playing, going to school, playing into field, and also doing some shaitani at home. So that's why you need more energy. It means your diet should be rich in carbohydrate. While the old person do not do much work, so they do not need a diet which contains carbohydrate more and more. Similarly, you people now at the stage of the growth, so you need high protein, because protein helps us in growth, while the old person don't need that kind of the diet. While the old person need one thing more than you, that is vitamins, because their body becomes very weak in that age. So the deficiency system of the old people become poor. So only one way is there to make them strong, that is supply of vitamins. So their diet should be rich in vitamins and minerals also. So the diet is depend on the age of the person. A diet of person is varies with the other person. Like the people lives in UP, they eat rice, wheats, and it is the main component of their diet. While the person, those are living in desert, they use the maize and other things in spite of the wheat and rice. The people live in Kerala having different kind of the diet. Mostly they use rice in their diet and fishes in their diet. So the diet of person varies with the place, with the choice, and so many reasons are there due to which the diet of each person is different from the other person. So guys, that's all for today. Next, we will meet on Monday with a new topic. Till, stay at home and be safe. I will send your work on Edunex app. and I will send the solutions also, but after one day. First you will try to solve the problems. If you have no book of science, you can download it from the Edunex app from download section. Have a nice time. Bye.